Peace and love, good people. Peace and love.
Hey.
Welcome back to another episode of Money in Minutes with Stock Market Daddy. We have gapped down at the open this time. We have gapped down at the open and we are in a trap zone. All right, the trap zone is between the 21 period moving average and the 200 period simple moving average. So we've opened up in the trap zone right now. So it's giving us a bullish candle out the gate, a green bar, but we are not near anything. So it doesn't get more trapped than this. All right. So here we go, looking for the second candle to give us some inclination of a clear direction. And it's not happening. And again, we're not near anything. All right, so I want you to envision a red candle coming from the yellow 21 period moving average down to this green candle. All right, so that's a big red candle. Then we had the green candle was the pullback. And now we're looking to see if this red candle is going to take out the bottom of this for a continuation. But remember, the 200 period moving average is a zone. So we don't actually know how close to this slanted 200 period moving average the actual power is. Okay, so it's looking like there are some buyers right here at 679.90 or 679.92 that's pushing this candle up into a tail bar. And then we had a pop and then some more continuation to the downside. But if you notice, none of these red candles have closed underneath the bottom of this green candle. All right, but we are gonna go ahead and enter a put right here. This was a premature put. All right, this was a premature put right here. Okay, poor entry, no location, no event, no color change, not near anything. This was literally just me tweaking. And look what happens. We just continue to trade sideways. That's why you notice that we always have an event and a location to justify our entry. There was literally, I'm looking at this now thinking about why I got into that trade. So again, that is why we call it a trap zone, ladies and gentlemen. That is why we call it a trap zone. So it looks like we are getting some power to the downside because again, we want to fill in that gap with as a red candle, as if it traded down. And then this was an extensive pullback or consolidation. And now it looks like we're getting some continuation. So that would have actually been the best entry. That was the best entry right there that we missed. That right there, that entry right there, that power bar from resistance, waiting for the candle to close to take out the bottom of a green. That was the better entry, but it was okay. I got in early. So now we're pushing it down. The profit target is either the 200 SMA or 20%. You know the rules, you know the game, you know the hustle. I am realizing now that I think having a $30 max loss, it kind of gives the play a little bit more room to work, but I'm wondering if I need to cut it to 15%. That way, if I'm taking profit at 20% and I'm cutting my losses at 15% and one candle and one contract, that would be a much better experience. So I was up I wasn't up 20%, but I was up a few dollars, and then it looks like it started to pull back into a bullish tail bar. But again, you don't want to jump into the candle too early because you could have got faked out right there. You could have got shaken off the tree. You could have got you could have got persuaded to hop on, and then you would have been cooked. You would have jumped in that tail bar, and then you got in a little too early. Okay, that's gonna peak. And boom, look at that nasty work, nasty reversal. So I look at that. That was a nasty reversal. Why? Because the 200 period moving average is not just this skinny line. Shout out to OV. This is, and look, I ain't even got no buying power left. Just got cooked. On the $47 down. This is like, this right here is a problem. This is breaking your rules at its finest. This is just not a good trade. This is just not a good trade. This is me just wanting to win. I'm just gambling. This is nothing. This is nothing. This is like pitiful. This is like pitiful. This is me hoping. And why did I have hope? I had hope because the 20 period moving average was moving down, but I bent all my rules. But at the same time, you know what I'm just thinking as I'm saying this to you? What if the stop loss, I guess the stop loss should be a range. I guess the stop loss should technically be a range. But I don't think there's any reason to not only blow your stop loss, but also blow your max loss. Like, that's crazy work. And then to even move the goalpost again beyond that is even more diabolical. So at this point, I'm thinking like, why am I even trading? See, now that I'm looking here, I'm seeing that that was like a bull flag. That was like a bull flag or like a reverse. Yeah, that's what a bull flag is. A bull flag is a reverse bear flag. But yeah, look at that. Pushing down. Now we getting some respect. And I gambled. What's going on here? What's going on here? What's happening? Just all over the place. Who is this guy? Get this guy off the computer. Yeah, man, that was just nasty.